Hello guy, welcome to SS Gaming and Computer Skill. So friends, in today's video, we are going to talk about Dell computer. No bootable device, strike F1 to retire. Boot F2 for setup. Utility in PC, which error comes. So why does this problem come and how to solve it? So look here, this my Dell computer, as I'm turning on computer, so look here. The computer in turned on. After turning on, look, this error has come, which in typed here, no bootable device stuck F1 to retire. Boot F2 for setup, utility, and press. F5 run onboard diagnostics. So why does this problem come this problem? Basically, if plays. Subscribe my channel, like and share. Come on, have to press the F1 button in the keyboard to go into BIOS. Option made, so here, I will turn on the computer now. After turning it on, I will press the F2 button in the keyboard. Look here after pressing the F1 button. BIOS has top-up option open and look here. BIOS system has come, which is typed here to go into BIOS mode. Below you can simply do BIOS setup after coming to BIOS setup. You have to click here. The BIOS has been opened. You will get the option. Here see, you have to come to the boot sequence. Option below after coming to the boot sequence option. Look here, you get two options, Legacy and UEFI below. If you have then, you have to make it. Legacy below, you have to apply here. There should be a tick make in the advanced boot option. After that, you have to exit. This is a setting. I'm showing you in the video after going to the BIOS setting. And you have to make legacy after that. You have to save and exit. So, after doing this here. See, my computer is not showing the error right now. This problem, if it is not legacy, then the hard disk will not be detected here. You will see no bootable device error. So after going to the settings here, by doing the settings as I showed, this problem gets fixed. So if you liked the video, please like the video. And if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and comments. Thank you.